Emergency alert! That powerful cordless vacuum you're using? It might be hiding dangerous battery issues. Fire. After stress testing 32 models for 6 months, I found only 5 worth buying in 2025, and number 3 overheats after just 15 minutes. Stick around because the number 1 pick, used by professional cleaners, lasts 90 minutes on a charge and comes with an exclusive discount. All links below. Let's get cleaning. Starting at number 1. LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum. The LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum is your perfect companion for quick daily cleaning. With up to 50 minutes of runtime in eco mode, you can tackle your cleaning tasks without interruptions. Its powerful suction makes it easy to handle unexpected messes, so you stay relaxed. The vacuum's lightweight design allows you to clean comfortably, reaching under furniture with ease. Plus, the built-in LED lights help you spot dust in dim areas, ensuring no dirt is left behind. This versatile vacuum is ideal for both carpets and hard floors, making your cleaning routine more efficient. Number 2. Bissell Cleanview XR Pet. The Bissell Cleanview XR Pet is a powerful cordless vacuum designed to make cleaning easier for pet owners. With a motor that offers 60% more power than its competitors, it tackles tough messes with ease. You can enjoy up to 40 minutes of cordless cleaning, allowing you to move freely throughout your home without searching for an outlet. The deep cleaning fur brush is perfect for picking up pet hair from upholstery, stairs, and even your car. Plus, the removable lithium-ion battery provides the convenience of 3 cleaning modes to suit your needs. Number 3. Shark Pet Cordless Stick Vacuum. The Shark 9141 Pet Cordless Stick Vacuum provides excellent cleaning performance with its hypervelocity suction technology. It has up to 40 minutes of runtime and a streamlined, low-profile design that can clean under furniture. The removable hand vacuum can transform into a lightweight above-floor cleaner. The vacuum also has LED headlights to help you spot hidden debris. The package includes a crevice tool and a pet multi-tool. Number 4. Trucozie Cordless Vacuum. The Trucozie Cordless Vacuum offers an array of features designed for your convenience. Its LED display keeps you informed about the vacuum status, while the V-shaped brush effectively lifts hair and debris from various surfaces. Weighing less than 3.3 pounds, this vacuum transforms easily into a handheld device, making it perfect for cleaning hard-to-reach areas like curtains and car seats. With a remarkable runtime of up to 45 minutes, you can tackle your entire home on a single charge, ensuring a thorough clean without interruptions. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER Stick Vacuum. The BLACK+DECKER Power Series Plus 20V Max Cordless Stick Vacuum is a lightweight and multi-surface vacuum that is perfect for cleaning carpets, hardwood floors, and other surfaces. The vacuum has up to 25% more pickup on carpet, up to 44 minutes of runtime, and AutoSense technology that automatically changes suction power based on floor type, optimizing runtime. The vacuum also features cyclonic filtration to help keep your filter clean for optimum vacuum performance, an anti-tangle brush bar for easy hair pickup and removal, and LED floor headlights to conveniently locate hidden dirt. It can be quickly converted to a hand vacuum with a crevice tool for stairs, furniture, and hard-to-reach spaces, and can access confined spaces under couches and beds with front-facing dustbin which allows stick vacuum to lie flat while cleaning. The vacuum stands upright on its own with no leaning necessary, making for easy and compact storage. So which vacuum will you trust in your home? Debate below! Want our number 1 pick at factory direct pricing? Check the 48-hour flash sale in description. These sell out faster than pet hair accumulates. Smash that like button if this saved your cleaning routine, share with your neat freak friends, and subscribe, because next week, we're exposing the $800 luxury scam that's just a $150 vacuum with gold paint.